What up, it's your girl Dazeja. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I can definitely say that this is like one of my top 5 favorite makeup looks of all times because it just makes my eyes like pop so much and it brings a lot of good attention to it. So I highly recommend this video to those that are looking for a very dramatic look. So if you guys would like to know how I did the look, then stay tuned, have fun, grab some wine, grab some brushes, grab some makeup. Oh, FYI though, my eyebrows will be done. If you guys would like to know how I did my eyebrows, it will be linked below in the description. But the first thing I'm going to start with is my eyes, and then I'm going to go straight into my face. And we're just going to jump right into it, and we're going to have some fun. So what I'm doing now is just blending out my concealer, which is by Pro Concealer and Toffee. I'm just going to blend it out to my eyelid, and then after that, I'm going to apply my eyeshadow. The first thing that I'm going to use is called Opposite Attract. I'm going to start with Nana. I'm going to use some tape because it's easier to clean up. And then I'm going to start outwards and then I'm going to work my way in. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with Ziki. I'm going to go in with that. And I'm actually going to bring it down a little bit. I'm not going to bring it above the Nani eyeshadow. I'm going to bring it below. I'm gonna go in with this dark blue. I'm going to go beneath the 2 eyeshadows that I already have, and I'm gonna bring it down a little lower. Boom, boom, boom. Now I'm gonna actually stop the recording and then I'm gonna move and do this. So once I get back, we can actually start with my face. And lashes that I chose to wear are the Ardell mink lashes. It doesn't have a number. I'm gonna use these. Is moisturize my face. This is probably like the only moisturizer that I use. Then I'm going to use my black opal. So I'm going to mix these two. I actually like using this. So I'm just going to be honest. I used my wrong foundation because I wanted to try something different. But I actually turned out okay because I used my black opal. What color is this? And this is the dark 600. So it turned out okay. But this is actually my first time trying a new foundation color. It is by the same company, but it is a different color. So what I'm doing now is just baking. You know I love baking. Let me just see. I'm gonna zoom out. I'm gonna show y'all. Show y'all the truth. Oh, it look okay. Look better. So since I'm not going nowhere, I'm not gonna change my foundation. I think it looks wonderful. And I guess I'm just gonna make it aware to stick to my Cocoa foundation that I use every time. But that's what I get for trying something different. It needs to go a little bit darker, a shade darker. But I did want to try a different color. I thought it was my color, but I guess not. But I still like it. I like the eyeshadow still. Since I'm not going anywhere, I'm not going to change my foundation. But